So today, guys, we're trying to figure out what video to do. So let's make a video.
You know, it's my Robert Hamilton for Congress sign.
Dude, I was gonna ask you about that. Like, what is up with that?
This is a legit sign of a guy who ran for Congress back in 2012. So
That is freaking awesome. Dude.
remember to vote for me.
Robert, how long you been working at Carr Products, dude?
Been working for Carr about almost a year now, since last February in 2017.
And where did you work before this, dude?
I was a manager at Chipotle.
Right
for
on, dude.
About a few years, and had a lot of fun. And Jeff called me up one day and asked me, "Hey, do you want to help out with sales at Carr?" And I worked here before in high school. I worked in the warehouse packaging up some stuff. So I said, "Sure, why not?" I mean, it was great. I was actually engaged at the time. I'm married now, happily married man. It's good.
Congratulations.
So, yes. Thank you. So,
No joke, I just spilled my coffee all over the floor, guys. Like, this is real TV right here. Now that's embarrassing. Alright, so right before, I rudely interrupted Robert. So, Robert, let's continue. So, basically, I want to know, what is working here, mean to you? You know what I mean? Is this what about the company just sticks out to you, more than anything?
I think what sticks out to me the most is really it would be opportunity and family. For me, being a manager at Chipotle, it was hard finding the right opportunity sometimes because I could move up, but in order to move up, I'd have to sacrifice the time I wanted with my family.
Yeah, totally.
And that was not easy for me, especially, being engaged and looking to be married and wanting to have a good family life at some time. It does take time, and I know when your schedule's all over the place, it's tough to be able to hang out with the ones you love. So,
okay, so I used to work for Starbucks, and they were like, "Guys, sell the coffee." I love coffee, but I mean, they made me want to they wanted me to love coffee and tell people how much coffee has changed my life and how coffee is just and I just felt like it was fake. You know what I mean? And one of the things I realized working for that company at that point in time, it's kind of why would I don't want to just do something and say it's good because I get paid for it. I just didn't feel like it was genuine. And I feel like Carr Products is a genuine company. So what about Carr Products gives you pride, that sense of pride to work here, and that you're doing honest, hard work. You know what I mean? It's because it's being sometimes car salesmen. If you're a car salesman, it's kind of a lot of them have this. They feel guilty because they're not giving the best deals, or maybe the product isn't that good. You know what I mean? That's the whole. I'm not saying all car salesmen are like that. I'm just saying that's the stereotype that they'll. Some car salesmen will get you. You know what I mean? And then they go home at the end of the day kind of feeling guilty because they might have really took advantage of somebody. But Carr Products, I believe, is a genuine company. Or what gives you pride about the product?
well, Tony, that's a good question. What I would say for the customers end is that when we design the product, it's designed with the end user in mind. It's designed with our customers. We listen to the feedback and we want to make the changes where there needs to be changes. We go through, we modify all of our designs, we go back, and if there's weak points, we'll test it ourselves and we'll hammer out the weaknesses until we know that we made the product better. For instance, the Hoop 2 step, it's gone through many modifications. Over the years, it's been modified over and over, but every time getting a little stronger and getting to a point where we don't have to worry about it coming back anymore because we know we've taken the time to make sure it works for you, the customer. So that's one of the things I like about the product is that it comes from a company that really cares, whether it's Jeff doing designing or it's the guys who are packaging it up, whether it's the people we work closely with who help us to do a lot of the extra, powder coating or the die casting. I mean, that all comes together to make it a really great product that works.
I feel like you guys don't cut corners. We live in a day and age where I feel like people will cut corners to save as much money as they possibly can. You know what I mean? I feel like you guys, you'll do things sometimes just because it's better quality and not necessarily the best, price option.
Well, one of the best things is that Jeff believes in integrity. I mean, he's talked about it at our meetings before, and he really believes that there should be honesty even to a fault. One of the things we try to do here is if we're in the wrong, and we fix it. We We aren't going to lie about it. We're not going to say, oh, it's not our fault. Like, hey, if there's something that needs to get changed, we'll change it and we'll move on. I mean,
honest to a fault, you know what I mean? And I think that might stir a little bit of something like in all of us. I don't know. I really appreciate that type of stuff, and it makes me confident working for Carr that you guys are going to get what you're actually paying for. All right, dude. So, like, what is your personal favorite product from Carr? Like, what's the product that you're like, I really like this product, really like showing people this product, and you're excited to let them know about the product? You know what I mean? Like, what product would you say that would be?
it's definitely the LED step Tony, and the reason why is because when I started working here, this was basically just coming out as a brand new product. And over the year, or the last year I've been working here, I've really enjoyed just seeing how much improvements went into this product compared to the Hoop 2 and Super Hoop, and I can see that there's a lot of love in the design too. I know Jeff designed this for his wife Lynn, and not only is it designed with her in mind, it's also more of a modern look to it. It's something that I would like to have on my truck. I think it's great. I think it's a niche in the market that most people don't know about. Most people are into the step bars and the Nerf bars, running boards, but I think this is something that really can reach out to a new generation of people that look and say, hey, you know what, maybe this is an option for us, whether it's a lower price cost or just something to make your vehicle more practical for the family.
And like I said this before about this product, I like the fact that it has a practical family use, but at the same time, it's honestly like it looks rugged. I like it.
I like the edges on it. I like how it just fits well with more of the modern vehicles today.
And I know that it comes in different colors, right? This one?
Exactly. This is the silver titanium finish on it.
So it comes in black too, powder coated?
Yeah, black is probably the most popular.
All right, guys. Yeah, so we just wanted to just put a little bit of ourselves out there today, and kind of you can get to know us more about our feelings towards the company, what we think of the company we work for. Like for me personally, I just got recently hired to help them out with their social media, and every time I walk in here, I'm just like super stoked to be here. I love the people here. They're very like easy to approach. You know what I mean? I can tell right away that I'll hear like phone calls in the other room. They'll be like, I can tell that they're helping another customer, and they're sitting there on the phone on and on and on trying to help them to figure out to get the information they need, and that just gives me a good like impression, you know what I mean, of the dedication. It's a small American company. I don't know, I love it. I don't know, I don't think there's too many places that are around like this anymore that I've worked for, so I'm really excited to see what the future holds and everything, bumping up the social media and everything like that. So again, we're going to be doing installation videos, we're going to be doing review videos, we're going to be doing collaboration videos probably with other channels, you know what I mean? We're going to take this, we really want to revamp the social media and really create something really not just informative but also entertaining. So guys, think about liking, sharing, and subscribing. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and everything like that. Alright guys, so this is Tony, this is Robert. Look forward to more content coming around the pike, and we'll catch you guys next time. Oh, really quick guys, also know that the main place to go and buy our products is on www.carr.com. Carr with 2 R's, Carr.com.